morning, everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Transition. Today we're going to make some pumpkin fluff just in time for Thanksgiving. It's pretty easy, guys. All right, we're going to need some pumpkin puree. We're going to need some instant vanilla pudding. We're going to need some Cool Whip topping. We need some pumpkin pie spice and some milk. Now, what we're going to use for cooking utensils are some bowls, a cooking spoon, and different sizes of measuring cups and teaspoons. Okay, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to stir together our pumpkin puree. We need 1 cup of it. So here's my 1 cup. I'm going to put it in to the cup until we get to the top. Okay, that looks good. You can smell the pumpkin. So then we're going to put it in our bowl. Super easy. Okay. Then we're going to take our 1 3/4 ounce box of vanilla instant pudding, and we're just going to dump it into the bowl. Okay. And we can throw this away. Next, we need 1/4 cup of milk, and we're going to put that in the bowl. Okay, here's our 1/4, and we're just going to pour it in. And next, we're going to need our pumpkin pie spice, and we need 2 teaspoons of pumpkin. This is 1 teaspoon, so we're going to put 2 of them in there. Let me move that over for a second. Okay, so I need to get out 2 teaspoons. This is why I have a bowl for overspills. And here's 1, and here's 2. Take our cooking spoon and we're just going to mix it all together. We're going to stir it up. There we go. It's almost ready. Pour that pudding in there. All right. The next step is we're going to add 8 ounces of our Cool Whip. 8 ounces is 1 cup. So I have another cup here. I'm going to go ahead and just clean my spoon off. Quick. Pump it off. Okay. And then we can go ahead and use this. Okay. So I'm going to put the Cool Whip in the 1 cup. We can get our 8 ounces. Okay. All right. And I'm going to put it in the bowl. Now the next step is we're not going to stir it. We're going to fold it into the bowl or into our mix. So folding means you just very carefully fold it into the pumpkin mixture until it's well blended. And this is where we get our fluff from, is the Cool Whip. Okay. We're still folding. We are almost done, guys. And I have an extra bowl so I can put some in a bowl. Now this is supposed to serve 8 people. Here we go. All right, let me get my bowl. So you're going to take some out of your bowl. And you're going to put it into a smaller bowl so everybody can have their own fluff. Okay? Now what you can do with this fluff is you can cut up some apples or any kind of fruit you like, or I just happen to have some graham crackers over here. And you use it as a dip. And you can just put it onto your graham cracker and enjoy. For now, everyone, till next time, with Cooking with Transition. Bye.